Hello family, my name is Akintuna Evelyn. This is our first video for our group, and today basically we'll be talking about introduction to mushroom farming. So when we say mushroom, what is a mushroom? So a mushroom is a fresh fruiting body of a fungi that developed from mycelium, which are buried in a substrate. So when we talk of mycelium, they are thread-like substances that develop to become a mushroom, to form a mushroom. We have numerous type of mushrooms in the system. We have the poisonous ones and we have the edible ones, but our group will be mainly talking about oyster mushroom. That is what we'll be discussing about. So if we know the definition of mushroom, let's go into mushroom farming. What is mushroom farming? What is oyster mushroom farming? What it means to be a mushroom farmer? It involves the process of you cultivating, you harvesting, you processing, packaging and marketing of the mushroom. So if you are an oyster mushroom farmer, it doesn't mean that you just process. We have a long value chain for the process in mushroom farming. Okay, so let's talk of mushroom farming. So mushroom farming involves or entails the process of the cultivation, the processing, the packaging, the marketing of the mushroom. It's a long chain and you can fix yourself at any space. You can be a producer, you can be a farm input distributor, you can be branding, packaging, value addition, and then selling it out to your consumers. So that will be all for today's video, and our next video will be talking of the history of mushroom. How did mushroom came into existence and what happened and we started cultivating it, and who started cultivating mushroom, which country is most leading in mushroom production. So we talk about it in our next video.
Hi, this is our new channel, so do well to join, subscribe, hit on the notification bell. And this was our first ever video on my first YouTube channel. Charlie, the nervous, everything, yeah. But join this our team and let's start all over again. And thank you for watching.